Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on exercise for women. We'll be exploring effective ways to get moving and incorporate physical activity into your daily routines. We'll be covering a variety of exercise options, ensuring there's something for everyone, no matter your current fitness level or your goals. Whether you're looking to improve your overall health, boost your energy levels, or simply feel more confident and empowered, this video will provide valuable insights and tips to help you achieve your fitness aspirations. Now, let's talk about strength training, which is essential for women's overall health and well-being. Strength training not only helps build muscle mass, which can improve your metabolism and make you feel stronger, but it also plays a vital role in boosting bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. The great news is that you can incorporate strength training into your routine in various ways. Bodyweight exercises, resistance bands, weights, or even using everyday objects can be effective tools for building strength and achieving your fitness goals. Cardiovascular exercise, also known as cardio, is another crucial component of a well-rounded fitness routine. Cardio is essential for heart health, improving your endurance, and burning calories. The key is to choose activities you genuinely enjoy, making it more likely you'll stick with it. There are numerous options to explore, from running and swimming to cycling and dancing. Start gradually, listen to your body, and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts over time. Yoga and Pilates are excellent additions to a well-rounded exercise routine. They offer a unique combination of flexibility, balance, and core strength. Yoga emphasizes mindfulness and relaxation, promoting mental and emotional well-being alongside physical benefits. It involves a series of poses and breathing techniques, focusing on achieving a state of balance and inner peace. Pilates, on the other hand, focuses on controlled movements and muscle engagement, strengthening the core and improving posture. Both yoga and Pilates can be adapted to different fitness levels, making them accessible to everyone. Remember, the key to achieving your fitness goals is consistency. Find activities you genuinely enjoy, making exercise a part of your lifestyle rather than a chore. Gradually increase your fitness level, starting with small steps and building up over time. Listen to your body, and don't push yourself too hard, especially when you're new to exercise. Exercise doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. It can be enjoyable and beneficial for your overall well-being, providing you with energy, strength, and a sense of accomplishment. So, find what works for you, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey.